Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. So for those who may not know, I love anti-aging skincare. I'm an avid tretinoin user and I love researching all about it. And whenever I hear about something with strong clinical studies and scientific backing, then I get really curious about it and I want to try it out. When I found out about LED masks and red light therapy and its proven effectiveness, I knew I had to get my hands on one and incorporate it into my routine somehow. So the mask I've chosen to get, and the one we'll be looking at, is the Omnilux Contour Mask. So we'll look at how they work, what they do, and generally why red light therapy is such a hugely popular treatment for anti-aging. If you would like to know more about red light therapy, then please keep watching. There are loads of LED devices out there on the market to choose from. These devices essentially emit low-level wavelengths of visible light in which each different colour treats a different skin concern. The devices vary in shape and size. I went with the mask version because I mostly focus on targeting anti-aging skincare on my face and also my neck. So with the Omnilux mask, because it's made of silicone, you are able to mould it and shape it to different areas of your body as well. So if you have the time to, then you can also place it on your neck, your chest and your hands as well, if you have the time to individually move the piece about. So LED stands for light emitting diode. The LED colour changes and corresponds to the wavelength of light emitted, which is measured in nanometers. So as you go along the wavelength spectrum, the visible light emitted changes in colour. So each colour penetrates the skin at different depths. And the two most common LED therapy colours are red and blue. Blue light is 450 to 500 nanometers and it's used for an acne focused approach. So it reaches the top layer of our skin and it may destroy acne causing bacteria which lays on the surface. And red light is 620 to 750 nanometers and it's used for an anti-aging focus. It penetrates further down into the dermis of our skin where the collagen and elastin are, giving an energy boost to their production. So it has been proven to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation. So now we've got to also talk about near infrared light. So this light is invisible to the eye, but it's often used in combination with red light to increase and optimize the anti-aging benefits. Near infrared light is 750 to 2500 nanometers, so it penetrates even deeper, reaching the subcutaneous tissue. So it can help reach parts of tissue and skin that red light cannot reach, aiding in wound healing and overall bodily systematic health. So when I was doing my research to find the best LED mask to invest in, it really came down to two options. So it was either the current body mask or the one I have now, which is the Omnilux Contour Mask. The reason I chose the Omnilux mask is due to reviews that I saw on TikTok. They had loads of space between their skin and the actual mask itself, so it wasn't close fitted, especially in the chin area, due to it only having one mask around the centre part of your head, whereas the Omnilux mask has two straps. You can secure the lower half of your head, making it closer fitted to your chin area, which is pretty good. So here's a little insight into the box. So it comes with instructions, different plug heads for traveling, different adapters, a drawstring bag for storage and the battery itself. So the mask utilizes 132 LEDs in 66 bulbs to emit 633 nanometers red and 830 nanometers near infrared lights, solely focused on the anti-aging aspect. It's been clinically studied and FDA cleared, so you can rest assured in it producing what it says it would. It's got a very easy and functional way to use. So there's one controller, which is also the battery. So you just got one button to turn it on and off. So the controller / battery is a normal USB-A to USB-C. So you would just disconnect it from the mask, charge the battery up, then once it's got full 3 bars, you would then just plug it back into your mask to use. The mask turns off automatically after 10 minutes, as that's the recommended amount of time, and you should be using it for 3 to 5 times a week for the first 4 to 6 weeks, and then you can maintain as desired. So what I've been doing is using it every alternate day. Since it's portable, you can continue with your day like usual, or you can lie down and pretend you're on a beach like I do. And the silicone is very flexible, so all you need to do is wipe it down with a baby wipe, or for a deeper clean, use a bit of alcohol on it. You don't want to use the mask with any skincare products on, because those products could interfere with the effectiveness of the light. I've been using it at night time, right after I've cleansed my face and dried it. Then I'd use it for 10 minutes and apply my skincare products afterwards straight away. People have reported visible results in a few weeks, but it obviously varies and depends on your skin. It is something like with all skincare, you have to use it consistently if you do want to see those results in the end. In regards to retinol and tretinoin use, I have been using my tretinoin as I normally would in my skincare routine, obviously after my red light therapy session, as I would normally do, and I have been absolutely fine. However, to side on precaution, Omnilux have suggested to stop tretinoin use at least 5 days prior to the treatment. Tretinoin does heighten sensitivity to light, so that is something to take into account if you have highly reactive or sensitive skin. Okay, so that's the end of today's video on the Omnilux mask and red light therapy. I haven't been able to share with you guys any comparison pictures of before and after. I am documenting that as I go along the journey, so hopefully I'll be able to share that with you guys in 3 months-ish time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to stay in the loop, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!